Bimba attention TV Quentua na matchnas ya hofedua osono kama ohwa hofedua fini keka bia enka ho anim dua ne da ho kama eno ti University Foundation ne mboa mobrofo na wo so omonsa ekoma no e wo 0548302985 yemhwe sabinyanka ne prison fo a ekomoduo ma no odimpa no so queen ase na yemwasa enkrofo we ensem akoso wonten social media so na ekwentua me di bi bebdom tinam say me sra wani die ma obe like attention TV na wa sign so a subscriber ma na wa share senia wo bi behu ne a ekoso wo Ghana memone ama hodo nsem nyina eye prophet Emmanuel Adjei a oye D4 e was Spinters Road ne ho nsem eye ababonten nya abawie Prophet Emmanuel Adjei di prophecy abetuja say wo hu lady bi a friend shasha week na che say lady no eye wivon ho adwuma no wo ya woton wivons na yemmo anase yemwo yen share ne link na enso eye shasha week so na nipa bonfo bi bedi na ewo be wuwo bi ano ya na ewuo no sabien ye wuo kan ye de ne be nyankomade anase obi de ne be ye occultism fo na epese ekunu I say ritual death bi na epese to eye shasha wigenti yen tapune yen share na link ni bi enso shasha so adolfo arewo sem ne say yes shasha wig ni nua ne sister Afia nega ne brother sister pa ni nua twotwomutwa woni ne fifidua ba akumu asem no ayasem Afia ti prophecy no na Afia trinity no say who is prophet Emmanuel Adjei wo hye sebe san komfon no ene family ho na informations the fear de bane de in fact ano odimi sure say prophet Emmanuel Adjei wo be nunu ho se nyankopon be da sa yi kire no niema efimu ban sebe ma ne wo ma ware ye prophet ni omo de da yi Ab0rtion e wa show them ho no ano enti wakache ni nua shasha wigi se wamfa asem no nkoda aposifo na empo eye prophet Emmanuel Adjei no wamma sa prophecy wonu abesa bonkrofo pa amoma kokun eye shasha wigi no enunti yem fane ko police station anti asem ni nyina Afia ne sister shasha e de asem na koda aposifo se efi ne kosa sembi eto shasha womodi omhuso bonya babbo eye prophet Emmanuel Adjei nsem efrim ba no sister Afia kita sebe nsem anu odin pa asofo no ebi ye niam anu odin me enti Afia0ses ni ga emra
obi obusa sade na Afia wotiate mu ane di kan shasha yeminua. If you don't know, I'm telling you, Shasha Weeks is my sister, my blood sister. Oyeminia yefifie ba ko oyemi mami nua ba omo munyi oyeminia nya madamfo. Now, Shasha will man kitty. Na Emmanuel Adjei, one sorry dying Exp0ses, Manette. Precisely. Shasha Weeks, the first born in the 15 years old. Adjei, Mendaye, and Kolane Ndaye, Shasha Ndaye. All because was it Obewu through ritual killing. Now, no mina bibe kuna na ne mame. Anani kunu. Suffer. You are acting as if you don't know Shasha Weeks. However, one sorry die is in Manette Junction. Shasha will Coca-Cola runabout. Our signboard gang yes you and to suffer was a one chamu and free Manette one for Coca-Cola water. I will say I hear a name Shasha Weeks, bitch. Emmanuel Adjei, you are such a bitch. You see, all of you want to chase clouds, Emmanuel Adjei. You've been a cloud chaser from day one. Ghana for name Yansan. And Obia sorry and nobody nechi. Papa, when Musa and Sawate, and I saw the way and son baby was painters. But Emmanuel Adjei, who the TV presenter may see me bo? Who the TV presenter? Am I the Kunuba sorry? Am I what a boo woman I do Johnny? The TV presenter Emmanuel Adjei, when you will be in a temple and God did not speak to you. You had Shasha Weeks, but TV presenter now would do no. TV presenter now Udi no presenter na say oh Joy FM no. Baby I no offer Semenka. Say oh Joy FM no. Udi no na nye kunu be embarrass wo asori dem ho. Emmanuel Adjei, why don't you want to talk about it? Emmanuel Adjei, I then Adjei on any kunu was sorry. You don't want to talk about it. God did not speak about it. You think we don't know you are the latest celebrity pastor fucker in town? Emmanuel Adjei, shut up. Can't say. Onyame unkoko cross one your contract. Or say wo dia one kasa wo the win chance dia. Are you stupid? What the fuck is wrong with your mind? Ah? Mabu Adamo. Say no you obi ni mwa ye jai no na mo be start o. Right na kwase bi. Stupid asshole. One of the woody presenters. One of the woody celebrities. Are you stupid? Say Shashe bebu na your ritual killing. Everyone saw it diamond. I call Shasha Weeks. Every 5 minutes drive. Every baby I saw it die here. I call Shasha Weeks. Ab0rtion plus traffic and I 10 minutes. You couldn't have gone to a shop. Who you are down say, Mimi a brand. Shannon Kwasi a brand be. Brand be now we Emmanuel Adjei. Is it because you are sleeping with the TV presenters in your church? Ah? I had died and a TV presenter no Joy FM no. Nikunuba was sorry them all. Don't you think you need to speak about it? Unim Yansabaku say, I when him say sorry. You can't hear from God when you sleep with somebody's wife. God is not an idiot. Asshole. You don't sleep with people's wives and hear from God, Emmanuel Adjei. Stop fooling. Kwasia say a ritual killing. And you wouldn't trust me. And you wouldn't trust the killing. And you wouldn't trust the killing. That's what it is. And you wouldn't, you people, me my catch my sister and someone call report to my police. And I expected to do that. Because you are a very stupid man who call yourself man of God. Who called you? Why did God call you? Why are you not sleeping with a married woman? Why I mean no one Joy FM no? Sister no one Joy FM no? I know about one story. I then come and explain to the world why Adjei and the husband is running away and the wife is running away from you. Kwasia, what you saw them on a woody man and a woman. Why is Adjei and the husband running away from you, Emmanuel Adjei? We are poor. Kwasia, Maso you go and Muchimi. I hear Shasha. You hear woman chill. Oh, fui. Stupid cloud chaser. Say, me, I am a brand. If you like, take it. You are sleeping with celebrities. You think we don't know? Huh? You think we don't know? You are sleeping with them. Who do you want to try more music? A boy. What Nasia? Namono no muri ni via. Mota free read to feno. Eta free girls ni chemuria. You wanna chase clouds with my sister, right?
And some say Shadaka, the message say we ye software miss game no yen is sorry no and go slam it to same cry. I am now go slam at Adjei. Says subject of if you should look at information. If you are say goddess bisano. At Edua na dua na home now. No wash any email coso. Into yourself for now, if you're a nigga home commodia. No wash any ye. A quaint one and messon. A crowd.